Hey guys, just coming to you guys today. I'm really excited about some videos that I'm going to be coming out with here real soon. I'm doing a whole series on a new car that I just purchased on an online auction. So I went online and I bought a car on a government auction. It's a Dodge Charger Pursuit cop car. It's pretty awesome. It's one of the newest body styles, the 2015 to 2020 body style. So we're going to be going to pick that up in a couple of days and bring that home. It's going to be a real adventure. I'm going to videotape the whole thing. So this is kind of like just a preliminary video that we're going to be sending out there. And if you guys are interested in this kind of stuff, we're going to be putting it back together with my son and a lot of upgrades over the next couple years. But it just depends on what's going on. So it should be running and driving and ready to go. We ordered new headlights and tail lights and turn signals and all that stuff to make sure that all the lighting is crystal clean and it works perfectly before I send it home. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. We're going to have to head out at 5 o'clock in the morning to drive out of state just to pick it up and bring it back. Especially with all of the COVID stuff, we're going to make sure that we bring plenty of sanitizer and self-distance and everything else, not a lot of stops. If anything, we might have somebody run out to our car with some Voodoo Donuts in Portland, Oregon. But besides that, I don't think we have any other stops that we're going to be doing. So it should be pretty fun. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know we got a Dodge Charger cop car. It's all-wheel drive Hemi that we're going to be doing a video on, and I'm probably going to be doing multiple videos. This should be a really fun one if you're into cars and stuff, and if you're not, maybe this is a perfect time to start getting into some of that stuff. So I'll have my son in it as well. So we're going to be doing it together. Talk to you later. Bye.